We go! KAHEIM Dixon to Charlton Athletic. Finally! Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Listen, it's a new overlay. Want to know anything about it first of all? Just drop that in the comment section. Because I don't know if I use it going forward. I'm not sure if I use it going forward. So I kind of really want to get some feedback on it. So go in the comment section. Give me some feedback on this new overlay. If you should say, if not, if you return to the previous one, just let me know. Let me know. I don't know if it's too much. I don't know. So let me know about it, people. Anyways, whilst in the comment section, I talk about I tell us about the overlay. Secondly, I know so I'm going to big up KAHEIM. Also, hit the like button in the meantime. Hit the like button in the meantime. So it's official. It's officially done. And the amount of update, the amount of update I'm going to pan it to backside. I know so when I say, boy, MG, me tired if you hear this. You say it to happen, you say it close to happen, you say it's going to release this week, this great. No, we can finally put it to rest. It has officially happened. Let's hear what the club has to say about this signing. KAHEIM Dixon is an addict. Let me read the article. Big up yourself. General, hold on the flag. Charlton Athletic are delighted to announce the signing of Jamaica international KAHEIM Dixon. The talented 19-year-old forward was joined from Jamaica Premier League side Onyx Garden for an undisclosed fee, was originally identified via the club's partners, Mount Pleasant. Whoa! With the move then being assisted by Charlton's strong links to Dixon's national team. Okay. So we understand what going on right now. So you see the partnership where Mount Pleasant have with Charlton Athletic. So them are in and out and say, wow, go on. They must say, yo man, talent is here. Let's continue. Born and raised in Trenchtown, Kingston, Dixon has already made 8 appearances for Jamaica, scoring twice and being a part of the Reggae Boyz Copa America squad alongside Charlton's own Keroy Anderson. It's important to perform. It's important to play international football and also perform at the international level. It's very, very important. This is what it does. It opens opportunities. It opens doors for you. When you get the opportunity, take it. He has signed a 4-year deal. 4-year deal with the club and becomes Nathan Jones' 8th signing of the summer. 4-year deal. I'm very happy to be here. Dixon Beam, my first opportunity to go professional is to be at the Addicts. It's been very good to see Keroy Anderson, another teammate from my country. I can't wait to start playing with him. Wakanda forever. Manager Nathan Jones said KAHEIM is a young, exciting talent that we have been keeping an eye on for several months. Ooh. Watching his progress and how he has done in the Jamaica national team alongside Keroy, we're looking forward to working with him, developing him, and making him a better player. Technical director Andy Scott added, we're really pleased to bring KAHEIM to Charlton. He's a player who has been on our radar due to our strong links with the Jamaica national team. Which is, to Keroy Anderson, Big Egg and him money. And our Mount Pleasant partnership, which is, I said, it's a big thing. When they did the partnership, I did a video speaking about how huge it is. He has impressed our scouts with his fantastic pace and technical ability. And we are fortunate to have been able to call on Keroy and others who have been associated with Charlton for character reference. People, you see this? Me keep up, me always say it, say, KAHEIM Dixon is very, very humble, You see importance of character. You see people are saying, why being humble mean nothing, being humble is this or that right there. You see the importance of character. Want to read that again now, people. Want to read that now. And we are fortunate to have been able to call on Karai and others who have been associated with Charlton for character references. So it's not just the talent that you have. It's not just the talent that you have. That's not enough. That's not enough. Your character is a key part of your development and your growth and how far you're going in this world. So it's important. This is what he said. He's already represented national team, which shows what talent and potential he has. And we are excited to see KAHEIM develop under the coaching of Nathan and his staff, which is Nathan is the first team coach, which means that he will be with the first team. We're looking forward to watching him progress and grow into the player we all believe he can be. Dixon has a successful college career. Well, technically, it's actually a high school, but you know. Scoring important goals at the college win various finals and ending his college career in 2023 with 32 goals and 17 assists. Technically, if I'm being honest, people, it's actually 39. 7 goals were taken away from me because I think that one of the teams they got disqualified and scored 7 versus that team there. The team got disqualified based off ruling, and they took back that 7 goals. So it's actually 39 goals that he scored, and he had I think had about 4 assists in that same game as well. I think that's something like that. Yeah. The forward talent and potential meant within a year of playing college football, he was playing alongside established Premier League stars in the Jamaica front line. Mikel Antonio, Demar Gray, Leon Bailey. Bailey never played. Good on Bailey play. Not Bailey. Wells, Shamar Nicholson. What big names? Bobby Reed. Know what I mean? So which means that if him can play amongst those guys, something is here. Dixon, whose transfer is pending final international clearance, has been given squad number 13. I'm a number that. Yo, can you imagine? You can imagine you're going to one team and get the number that you want. Yo, highly rated. Any more to be said? I think that is it. Man getting number 13 to backside. Hey, yo, I tell you, hey, you know what, people? We're not going to further. Highly excited about this one. Come now, match day pending. Right now, you know me do right on my phone. I'm going to add Charlton Athletic as one of my favorites for me app me use. Let me add them. I don't know if Dixon going to come up on it as yet. But I add them. So I don't miss a game. Squad. Let me see if them add him to the squad. Not yet. So as soon as them add it in the squad, me click on the player and me go select the player and everything with him do, so me get an update on my phone. So anyways, people, big up on yourself. Same thing me did. I did the same thing with Whisper, right? And if you look, I'm making a show now. Look, if you look here, so look like that, you see the notification somewhere on, yeah. So me can't miss nothing for him, none at all. Anyways, so big up on yourself. People. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. We're not going to go no further with the video. I'm very excited. Remember to tell us what you think about the overlay. I don't know what I'm going to fit yet. But it was done by SP Professional. Don't know, check out them IG page. So him tell me say you use it, ask people for their reference in regards to it, so you can get a bit of idea. And because I know so probably a lot of people watch this video, so I know so I can get a lot of reference or a lot of ideas about it. So when you give me an input on it, please, so we can know what we can fix, what we can do. And if it's good, make it stay. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. See you guys again. God bless. We're out. Boom. Now I mean, boop, boop. Big things are happening.